Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Handbrake video converter and encoder on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so for this guys we have to follow these 4 steps. Okay, so let me adjust the window size of this file. Okay, so here we have this file. So step 1, we have to open the terminal. Okay, so just go to the desktop, right click on that and then click on this open terminal, and you can see guys here we have this terminal opened. Okay, and you can also open this terminal by using another method. So let me close this. Okay, so just click on this show applications at the bottom left, and here we have the search box. Okay, click on this and just do a search for terminal, and here we have this terminal. Click on it and you can see guys it's now opened. Okay, so let me adjust the window size of this also so that guys you can see this file and also the terminal. Okay, so step 1 is done. Let's do step 2. Okay, so we have to add the handbrake PPA. Okay, so for this guys we have this command, and guys all these commands in video description, you can check it out. Okay, so let me copy this PPA and let me go to the terminal and let me paste that. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard and just provide your administrative password and hit enter, and you can see guys here we have this message: press enter to continue or Control C to cancel adding it. Okay, so just hit enter key on the keyboard. I am hitting enter key and you can see guys it's adding PPA, so we need to wait. Okay guys, you can see that it's now done. Okay, and after that guys we have to update system repository index. Okay, so for this we have this command sudo apt-update. So let me go to my terminal and let me type this command sudo apt-update, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. So it's updating system repository index, so just wait. Okay, so guys it's now done, and after that guys we can install handbrake. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to install handbrake GUI, that is graphical user interface version. Okay, so for this guys we have this command sudo apt install handbrake-gtk. Okay, so just go to your terminal. So let me clear the terminal first. Okay, and you have to type this command sudo apt install handbrake-gtk. Okay, and after that guys hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so here we have this message: do you want to continue? So just press Y key on the keyboard for yes and hit enter. So it's installing, so we need to wait. Okay guys, so it's now done. Okay, and after that you can close this terminal. So let me minimize this file. Okay, and in order to open the handbrake you need to click on this show applications at the bottom left. Okay, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for handbrake, and here we have this handbrake software. Click on it and you can see guys here we have this handbrake installed and opened. Okay, and in order to check the version, just click on this help and then click on this about, and you can see guys here we have this handbrake 1.2.1 installed. Okay, so guys that's it. In this way you can easily install handbrake video converter and encoder on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.